Oh, it's so good. That is good. Oh. Hey. What? This? You wish I'd show you. What's up, guys? So you saw me drinking this, didn't you? 3 ingredients, and I'm gonna show you exactly what I stumbled upon, because guess what? I made it yesterday for the first time, and it is knock your socks off. Like, your socks were being knocked off. So in all seriousness, 3 ingredients: spinach, dates, and water. That's it.
Alrighty guys, what's going on? Yeah. Alright, so let's get right into how I make this sweet little recipe. So basically, filling up my blender with 2 cups of water. Use a high-powered blender if you have one. If you don't, that's okay too. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, here we got 2 cups of water. Next step, we're gonna plop in those dates. So today I am using 4 dates. I would suggest using 3 to 4, depending on how sweet you like it. Mama, Papa, I know you watching, and I want you guys to put 3 in, because I know you like that. I think you like that better. I talked to them on the phone, and I was telling my dad to go watch this video and make it. So tell me what you think. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Oh yeah, don't put your pits in the Vitamix in the blender, because you know that's stanky. The stanky pits. So here I'm putting about 3 handfuls of strike pose. Sorry. Got a little sidetrack there. But yeah, 2 to 3 handfuls of spinach. I would suggest probably starting with 2, see how you like it. And you can go from there. I mean, it's all about that spinach. So here we're going to blend it. I'd suggest about blending it for about 1 minute until it's really smooth. As you can see, there's nothing in there. It's just a smooth, silky drink, nice and green. Look at that inside. Now, the final step, you want to put some ice with this drink. I mean, with the ice, it just adds, it just brings out that flavor. I don't even know. Try it. Do it. Tell me what you think. It's delicious. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this little recipe. Yeah, I found this you know, I guess you could say I invented it, and it tasted so good I had to share it with you guys. I hope that you guys like it, and leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think about it, and if you did it successfully. I mean, come on, how could you not? It's 3 ingredients. Alright guys, peace out.
Oh, hey. I didn't see you there. Oh, this? You wish I'd tell you. I knew you were looking! Is she looking?
No.
No, she not looking. Good. Justine's looking at me really funny right now.